Hey mama. Well, the weather's kind of dicey today, so we're gonna chase waterfalls today. Everywhere we'll be going today, it's gonna be half a mile or less off the road where I've parked. In case I do get caught in the rain, I won't have far to get back to the car. I don't want to be out on a trail 4 or 5 miles out and it starts pouring and then I have to get back to the car soaking wet. I do have dry clothes in the car and dry shoes, so if I do get caught in the rain, I'll be able to get myself warmed back up. Anyway, we're gonna see a couple of waterfalls today, so stay tuned, mama. I love you. I hear the falls. There they are. There we go, mama. Get you down there a little closer. are the lower falls. I'm not getting any closer to that ledge because it is squishy over here and I'm just not taking the chance. You can see I'm actually on an incline here. We came from up there. I didn't video coming down because I wanted to pay attention because it's kind of slippery. But yeah, this thing goes down into that little creek bed. And there is a way to get down there, but it's muddy and slippery, so we're not going to try it today. But anyway, that is the little waterfall, lower fall. Well, I'm back in the car fixing to go to the next set of waterfalls, and I just realized I didn't even tell you what those waterfalls were. Those are called the County Line waterfalls. We're near Hemlock Lake. It's not part of Hemlock Lake, but it's kind of across the highway from it. So County Line Falls, Upper Falls we got a good view of. The Lower Falls not so much because it's too slick and muddy for me to get down that trail there today. Anyway, let's see what we find next. Stay tuned. Well, Mama, guess what? We do get to see the Lower Falls. Right here from the bridge on the highway, you can see that Lower Falls back in there. This is still not that great an angle, but that is the trail I would have had to come down, and not today. It's just too wet and slippery. But yeah, there's the Lower Falls, Mama. Okay, Mama, we're gonna see if we can make this work today. This is the Onondaga necklace of waterfalls, and right now we are starting down here in Honeoye Falls and gonna make our way west. Probably won't make it all the way to Buffalo, but we'll see how many of them we can find. And Honeoye is the way this is pronounced. Thank you, Alex, for correcting me this morning. I've been saying honey eye all this time, which, you know, Onondaga is a different language from what I'm used to. I try to Latinize everything. The only exposure I've had to Native American languages is what little bit of Navajo Jibby taught me when we worked at Flint Hills together. So, Jibby, by any chance, if you're watching this, Neo Neshne. And I hope our paths cross again in this lifetime. Okay, let's go take a look at Honeoye Falls before the rain starts. Alright, it's already started raining on us a little bit, so we'll just make this a quick little tour. These are the Honeoye Falls, Mama. Alright, Mama, these are also called Buttermilk Falls, not to be confused with Buttermilk Falls State Park. Alright, and here we have another one that's right off the side of the road. These are the Morganville Falls. We're right outside of Morganville. Not very impressive, but still pretty. So I figured I would include it in here for you, Mama. Look at here, Mama, outside the Morganville Falls. Got some pretty yellow flowers. Spring is trying to get here. Morganville Falls, there is this big rock. It's called the Devil's Rock. I hate that they want to name everything evil up here. It's actually it looks more like an anvil to me than a devil. But anyway, it's kind of cool, so I thought you might want to see it. Alright, Mama, before I go any further, I made a mistake at the Morganville. Those were not the Morganville Falls. Morganville Falls are a little further up. But it's a steep embankment to get down to them, which I would have had no problem getting down, but it's really muddy, and coming up would have been a little bit more of a challenge that I want to deal with today. Now we're going to take a look at our next set of waterfalls, and stay tuned. Alright, so I'm out at the Akron Falls Park, and we're going to walk around a little bit out here. The rain has stopped for a minute, so hopefully we'll be able to get some pretty things in the video before the rain comes back again. All right, Mama, they got a fence right here by this waterfall. So I'm sorry about the waterfall having a fence in the frame. I am gonna try to get down to the bottom there, see if we can get a better view of this falls, because these are really pretty. I haven't made it down to the bottom, but there's a kind of side view of the falls. And over there across the way, there's a little water flowing out the side. On down. Wow, it's really pretty out here, and I found the way down. Thankfully it is a paved trail that's going to go down there, so yeah, can't wait to get down there. God, this is a great day so far. All right, Mama, I'm turning you around. Here we go, we're going down the trail. Normally I don't like paved trails, but when it's been raining, I like them, because you're not going to slip and fall and bust your hiney, and we don't want to do none of that. So here we go, on down the stairs. It's really pretty out here. I want to come back out here when the sun is shining and everything's blue. Well, that water is really getting it. I'm not sure what this waterway is, but I'm gonna find out. Ah, there it is, Mama. Akron Falls. You know me and rock walls, look at that. Alright, Mama, one more look at Akron Falls. Trail is going actually down to the river itself. If it is a river, I'm not sure what kind of waterway this is. We're gonna go down here and check it out. And that water is getting it. There's a little branch over there is kind of just hanging on for dear life. Look at it. String to it and go fishing. I got some of these big boulders out here too that I like so much. Look at this. And I love these boulders. And look at the power in that water. That is just so amazing. This water is getting it. Boy, if somebody fell off into that, it'd be all over. Boy, I could stay out here all day with this, but there's one more waterfall on the trail of Onondaga Necklace left. I didn't think we were going to get all the way to Buffalo, but we're real close, so might as well complete it. All right, Mama, so we are at Glen Falls, which is the last of the falls on the Onondaga necklace of waterfalls. So let's take a look. First thing you see here is they've got this fence, Locks of Love. And I'm gonna come back here one day and put a lock on here myself. 'Cause that's pretty cool. All right, Mama, so we walk on down here. And then here you get a look at the waterfall. Well, Mama, I have had a fabulous day out here chasing waterfalls. I know this video was just a few minutes for you, but so far today I've traveled from South Dansville up to Hemlock Lake, over to across to Honeoye Falls, and now we're right outside of Buffalo. So a lot more driving today than walking, but that's okay. Rain quit long enough for me to be able to record the waterfalls for you and show you some stuff. And we're on our way back to the car, and we're gonna start heading home. Love you, Mama. Hey, Mama, I know I said I was going home, but I realized how close I was to Rock City State Forest, so I decided to come down and take a peek. And I'm gonna show you a peek, and I really hope the weather is nice next weekend so I can come back out here, because this place is incredible. Check these big rocks out, Mama, and look, the sun finally came out. But you know my obsession with these big rocks. These things, look at that, there's a little pool of water down there. Look at that, that is freaking cool. Look at there. Wow, let's go just a little bit more. Oh man, there's another big one. These things are huge. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. My goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, this is incredible. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah. I better go ahead and turn around now, because if I go any further, I'm gonna keep on going. Oh man, I'm gonna get over here to this big one here, and I'm gonna turn this camera back around so you can kind of get an idea how big this thing really is. All right, Mama, I am standing in front of this thing, and you can see behind me how far down it goes. And look how far up this thing goes. I mean, I almost can't even show you the top of this thing. So, and I hope I can get back out here next weekend. Please, Mother Nature, let it be a beautiful weekend next weekend. All right, Mama, I'm really going home this time. I love you so much. It was a great day, Mama. I am literally down the street from the house, but I was driving by and saw this, and it looked so pretty. I just had to share it with you. Look at that. What a perfect end of the day.